We are in the elections section. Currently, there is no elections related questions in this section. Why it is like that? It is because we selected for not adopting any elections. For clarifying this, we have to jump onto the taxpayer details section. In the taxpayer details section, you can see in the bottom that we have opted for no selection. As you can see, it is written here, is the taxable person making an election to be subject to corporate tax under the standard corporate tax regime, and we selected no. That's why there is no elections related question is appearing in the elections section. The elections section allows a taxable person, including a free zone entity, to make or confirm specific elections under the UAE corporate tax law. How certain rules apply, how income is treated, or how the entity is taxed. Although not every business needs to complete this section, it is important to understand what each available election means and when to use it. Here is a clear explanation of the typical elections found in this section and their practical implications. The first one is election to be treated as a taxable person under Article 19(1). The purpose of this election is qualifying free zone person opt out of the 0% regime to be taxed at 9%. Example is ABCFZ LLC located in Jafsa earns 20 million AED annually, mostly from UAE mainland clients. To avoid complex de minimis test and enjoy full deductibility of expenses, it elect to be treated as a regular taxable person under Article 19(1). From that tax period, all its profits are taxed at 9%, not 0%. The second is election for small business relief under Article 21 and Ministerial Decision number 73 of 2023. The purpose of this election: resident entities with revenue less than or equal to 3 million AED can be treated as having no taxable income. Example is Desert Bloom Trading LLC earned AED 2.5 million in 2024 and AED 2.8 million in 2025. It elects small business relief both years. It pays no corporate tax and files a simplified return. In 2026, revenue exceeds 3 million AED, then its relief ceases automatically. Third election to use cash basis of accounting under Article 20, Section 3. Purpose: small or qualifying businesses may record income or expenses when cash is received or paid. Example is Noor Services sole establishment having an annual turnover of AED 2.4 million but is paid months later. It elects cash basis, so income is recognized only when payments are actually received, easing liquidity management. The fourth is election for foreign permanent establishment exemption under Article 24. Purpose: resident companies can exclude income and expenses of foreign branches taxed abroad. Example is Emirates Construction LLC operates Qatar branch taxed at 10%. It elects the foreign PE exemption, so Qatar profit and related expenses are excluded from UAE taxable income. Fifth one, election to form or join a tax group under Articles 40, 41, Ministerial Decision 125 of 2023. Purpose: parent and subsidiaries having ownership equal or greater than 95% treated as one taxable entity. Example is Alpha Holding LLC owns 100% of Beta LLC and Gamma LLC. With FTA approval, it forms a tax group. Hence, they file a single return and intra-group transactions are ignored for tax. Losses of one entity can offset profits of another. Sixth one is election to continue or exit from a tax group. Example is Gamma LLC is sold to an unrelated party. It elects to exit the tax group effective from sale date. Pre-group losses remain with the tax group. Post-exit income is reported separately by Gamma. Seventh is election for transfer of losses between group companies under Article 37. Purpose: allows loss transfer between group entities having ownership more than or equal to 75%. Example is Tech FZCO having profit of 4 million AED owns 80% of data LLC which have loss of 2 million AED, they elect to transfer data's loss to taxable income is equal to 4 million minus 2 million is equal to 2 million. Then it will be taxed at 9% and the tax payable amount is 180,000 dirhams. The eighth one is election for business restructuring relief under Article 27 Ministerial Decision 133 of 2023. Purpose is to transfer assets or liabilities between related parties at book value, no immediate tax. Example is ABC LLC transfers a business division to newly formed ABC Manufacturing LLC which is 100% owned. It elects business restructuring relief, no gain or loss recognized at transfer. If assets are sold externally within 2 years, relief may be clawed back. Ninth one is election for qualifying group relief under Article 26 Ministerial Decision 132 of 2023. The purpose is to transfer assets or liabilities between group companies having ownership more than or equal to 75% without tax impact. Example is Sunrise LLC transfers a vehicle fleet to Sunset LLC, both owned 80% by Sun Holding. They elect qualifying group relief so no taxable gain arises. If Sunset sells the asset to a third party within 2 years, the deferred gain becomes taxable. Number 10 is election for exemption of income from foreign PE, same as number 4. It applies to both mainland and free zone companies holding taxable foreign branches. 11th one is election for transitional relief under Article 61 Ministerial Decision 120 of 2023. Purpose applies only in the first tax period to ease transition. For example, opening balance sheet. Practical example is Legacy Trading LLC owned a warehouse since 2018. On adopting corporate tax from 1st January 2024, it elects transitional relief so only post 2024 appreciation is taxed on sale. Gains accrued before 2024 remain exempt. Number 12 is election to apply participation exemption under Article 23 of Ministerial Decision 116 of 2023. The purpose is to exclude dividends and capital gains from qualifying shareholdings. For example, Emirates Invest LLC owns 15% of Proces PLC, a company of UK. Hold it for more than 12 months. On selling shares for a gain, it elects participation exemption. No UAE tax on dividends or sale proceeds. Number 13, election for small business relief, anti-fragmentation rule, Ministerial Decision number 73 of 2023. The purpose is to prevent artificial splitting of revenue, claim small business relief multiple times. For example, Ali LLC and Sara LLC each report AED 2 million turnover but share ownership and resources. FTA deems them related. Election confirms combined revenue which is greater than 3 million AED. No small business relief will be granted in this case. Number 14, election to apply arm's length range for transfer pricing under Article 34 and Ministerial Decision 97 of 2023. The purpose is to allow choosing an arm's length value within the acceptable range. Example is Emirates Trading LLC sells goods to its parent for AED 105 per unit. Transfer pricing analysis shows an arm's length range between 100 and 110 AED. It elects to use the median, which is 105 AED, as its transfer price. No TP adjustment required. Number 15, election for adjusted taxable income under relief, special schedules in EmaraTax. The purpose is to apply or not apply certain reliefs in each period. For example, deferred losses, transitional adjustments. The example is Delta LLC chooses in 2024 to defer claiming a business restructuring loss under transitional rules 2025, electing via EmaraTax adjustment schedule. Here are some practical notes for elections section. Before opting any election, we should keep in mind these notes. These notes can be considered as a practical guide. The first one is all elections are voluntary and manually selected in EmaraTax. None are pre-filled. Second one is some elections once made are binding for a minimum of 5 years. For example, electing to be treated as a taxable person. Third one is voting documentation related to each election should be maintained carefully. For example, board resolutions, financial justifications, or tax analysis. The fourth one is elections must be made when submitting the return. They cannot generally be added later without FTA approval. Elections section is the most important and crucial section in the corporate tax return in UAE. So be careful before opting for any election. It should be clearly consistent with your company policies. Any blunder in this section will cost too much to the company management. After selecting all the elections relevant to your company's policy, you have to click on the next step. Congratulations, you have completed the election section. Please like, share, subscribe, comment and press the bell icon for frequent updates. Thank you.